A nail gun is a type of tool used to drive nails into wood or some other kind of material. Large projects that require a lot of joining or framing would take forever with the traditional hammer and nail. A good nail gun can not only make the work go faster, but it also gives you more control over the final product. So if you're looking to buy a new one, then we can help you out with some of the best products available on the market. The WEN61720 brad nailer effortlessly shoots brads anywhere from 3/4 to 2 inches in size. With a lightweight 3-pound aluminum body and a comfortable rubber grip handle, this tool is the perfect companion for any job site. It comes with a large magazine that carries up to 100 brads, while the quick-release design makes jam clearing a breeze. Also, it can quickly rotate the exhaust port a full 360 degrees to control the direction of the outputted air. You can clear jams rapidly without slowing down your work with the quick-release latch located on the front of the nailer. Thus, plug in your favorite air compressor and start nailing. The Numax SFR219021 is a full-rounded framing nailer which provides cost-effective speed and power for handling any project involving framing, subfloors, decking, and fencing. It features an anti-dry fire mechanism, a finger depth adjustment, and a single trigger, all housed in a die-cast aluminum construction. It combines affordable pricing with high-quality products for the ultimate value in a tool. Also, it offers a black oxide aluminum magazine for durability over repetitive use, and the die-cast aluminum construction with an aluminum cylinder for lightweight durability. Besides, it provides an anti-dust cap to keep internal components dust and debris free. The Freeman POR FRFN CB offers an anodized aluminum magazine and cylinder for lighter weight and added life expectancy. It has a 360-degree, tool-free adjustable exhaust that allows flexibility to redirect exhaust to a convenient place. It comes with a tool-free quick jam release to efficiently address nail jams and get back to work, and offers an anti-dust cap to keep internal components dust and debris free. It uses a magnesium construction, and it's a lightweight tool which is great for the extended use. Also, it gives a removable no-mar tip to prevent work surface damage. Besides, it offers single and sequential firing triggers for firing versatility. The PorterCable B200C has a magnesium body that delivers both a lightweight and robust design. The brad nailer features a removable, non-marring nose tip with on-tool storage, as well as an integrated rubber grip for improved comfort. It is equipped with a low nail-to-reload indicator to help alert when to recharge, and has a particularly hardened driver blade for longer life. Also, it offers a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper settings of nail heads. The adjustable belt hook allows the tool to be kept near the user and provides an integrated rubber grip for improved comfort. The Hitachi NT65MA accepts 15-gauge nails ranging in length from 1 1/4 inch to 2.5 inches at 34 inches. The angled magazine allows the nailer to fit in tight corners and awkward spaces with ease. It has a tool-free depth of drive adjustment that takes no time, with the dial located conveniently under the non-slip elastomer grip trigger. The 360-degree fully adjustable exhaust can be directed away from the user so that air exhaust, debris, and oil are avoided. The adjustments can be made depending upon the density of the material and air pressure required. It requires oil occasionally to keep the tool lubricated and functioning at optimal performance. The DeWalt DC60K comes with an engine design that allows the tool to work as fast as the end user with consistent nail penetration into both soft and hard joints. The sequential operating mode allows for precision placement, and the bump operating mode provides the user with production speed. It offers a straight magazine that accepts 18-gauge nails ranging in lengths from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches. It has a 12-position dial that allows the user to move between applications without having to reacquire exact depth setting. Also, it has a contact trip lock, which disables the trigger when not in use, and is easy to engage and disengage. Besides, the integrated LED lights for long life and durability. The Passload 902-600 CF325Li is a cordless framing nailer aimed at do-it-yourself homeowners and contractors. It is packed with power and provides the ability to fasten 6,000 nails on a full battery charge. The magazine is quite smooth and the pins can be loaded in the magazine quickly. With its sturdy nose design, it is perfect for all kinds of outdoor or indoor jobs. Also, it comes with a tiltable belt hook that can easily clip on your belt. You can move the clip to the right or the left, whichever is more convenient for you. Besides, it uses the fuel cell economically and can shoot an impressive 1,200 nails per cell. The DeWalt DC618K XRP comes with an engine design that allows the tool to work as fast as you do, with consistent nail penetration into both soft and hard joints. It can drive 16 gauge nails from 1 1/4 to 2.5 inches in length as rapidly as 5 nails per second. It offers a 6-position dial that enables you to move between applications without having to reacquire exact depth setting. Also, at just 8.5 pounds, the tool is lightweight for easy maneuvering and reduced operator fatigue. It includes integrated LED lights for perfect placement in low-lit or shadowy areas, and it comes with one 18-volt XRP battery and a 1-hour charger. Holding the top place among the list of best nail guns, we have the PorterCable PCFP72671. It comes with a tool-free adjustable exhaust, a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads, along with a tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. The compressor features a 6-gal tank, which allows users to drive a large number of nails on a single tank charge. It also has an innovative shroud that enables for better protection and portability. It weighs only 30 pounds, which enables the compressor to be easily carried. It features a maintenance-free pump for convenient operation, and the 120-volt electric unit allows the user to run the compressor on standard household current. Thanks for watching. So there you have it, these are the best nail guns on the market. Thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and subscribe to get more in the future.